So peas. Peas are part of our greens for a year because they grow differently. You can grow them in these, and we have done. We've also put holes in them because their roots are a lot denser. I have done some other videos that you can get on YouTube using sort of recycling and what to do there. So, but I'm just going to show you what to do within our kits. So you will have got some of these coir trays, which after using they can just go in the compost. Again, they can be reused as well, and obviously you'll get some more of these blocks. But first step is to actually soak the seeds. So there's enough in here to do, I think, 4 lots. I haven't got the scales with me, but I'm just going to guesstimate. But if it's 200 grams, 50 grams dry seed, kitchen scales. I'd hope I'm a little bit of a pro now. I've done this for so long, but like this, fill it out with water and leave it. The instructions say 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours. I would always leave it overnight. It's not going to harm it, and they get bigger, and then it's just more coverage. And it's something you don't have to think about and time and stuff. Just do it the night before. Or when you're planting the rest, just have it like that, leave it on the side, leave it, and when you come back you'll notice that they will expand and fill up, and then we can get to the next stage next. So that is the peas, and we'll go through all of that in the pea video too.